Good evening, guys. This is Mike Padua, and we're back again after 6 hours for the latest on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands. We are now issuing an initial update on the newly formed LPA 97W. It quickly developed during the past 6 hours, and it's now moving across the Bicol Region. So this is for today, Thursday evening, August the 4th, 2022. And let's take a look at the newly released graph set that we issued a few hours ago. So the surface trough is now 97W, and it's now in the vicinity of Lagonoy Gulf, and it's likely, as we speak, it's now crossing Camarines provinces, the areas like Camuan and Lagonoy, and it's likely to exit over the vicinity of Daet, Camarines Norte within the next 12 hours. So we expect some rainfall, although the rains are located along its periphery, and it's already affecting portions of eastern Luzon, including portions of Metro Manila, southern Tagalog provinces, Visayas. So the trough, or the extension from this LPA, which is embedded within the monsoon trough, is expected to bring rainy conditions through Saturday and extending to Sunday. So the rainfall that we are forecasting during the past 6 hours is expected to be earlier than expected. So likely it will occur tomorrow, Friday, until Saturday, with still rainy conditions to Sunday, because the system will exit the West Philippine Sea as early as Sunday and redevelop over the West Philippine Sea as it intensifies further. Meanwhile, 8W is now over southern China and is expected to dissipate within the next 12 to 24 hours. It made landfall early this afternoon, and it's now west-northwest of Hong Kong with winds of only 45 kph. So expect some improvement of the weather, although rain showers and thunderstorms will persist over southern China. Now let's go back to the Philippine Islands. So Mindanao will have localized thunderstorms, while Visayas, portions of Mimaropa, and the whole of Luzon will be affected by the monsoon trough, as well as the passage of LPA 97W. We are observing this because the rain bands is still scattered and isolated. So it's not bringing some continuous rainfall. It's on and off, okay, isolated to scattered thunderstorms within this area of low pressure. So right now it's still at low chance of, or less than 35% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. So watch out for possible flooding in low-lying areas and landslide in mountainous slopes and volcanic slopes where the threat of lahar is likely. And here's the LPA, which is currently disorganized as it traverses the northern portion of the Bicol Region. So expect some rainfall overnight, especially by tomorrow, Friday to Saturday. So areas like Iriga City and some portions of Rinconada district in Camarines Sur are currently experiencing some flooding because of southern downpour generated by this weather system. Since that area is a catch basin, it's surrounded by a couple of lakes, Lake Buhi and Lake Bao. That's why their areas are quickly affected by the rainfall generated by this LPA. So if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation beginning around 5:44 p.m. until this evening, scattered rain showers and thunderstorms are being observed along the periphery of the LPA. So if the LPA is here, so the rain bands are located along its periphery. So here, as you can see, while this area is devoid of any heavy rainfall as of this time, but by tomorrow through Saturday, portions of these rain bands will also affect the rest of the Bicol region. Here's the infrared as of this evening. As you can see, strong thunderstorms are are located along its periphery of the LPA. So the LPA is somewhere here right now, might be crossing Pardito district of Camarines Sur. So the rain bands are located along its periphery away from the Bicol Region, affecting Quezon Province and moving towards Metro Manila, and also here over Panay, Negros, and Cebu, and Eastern Visayas. So there you go. So take all necessary precautions for possible flooding when you have heavy downpour generated by these thunderstorms embedded within this weak low pressure area 97W. Here's the forecast from the European model. By tomorrow 8 a.m. we expect that the LPA is over the coastal areas of Camarines Norte. So the rainfall will be affecting eastern Luzon from northern Quezon down to southern Quezon, and it will move across central Luzon, including other parts of Calabarzon, Metro Manila included, while the Bicol region will have spotty rain showers and thunderstorms. By tomorrow afternoon, we expect the localized thunderstorms to again appear over northern Luzon, while the effects of the LPA will continue across central and southern Luzon, including portions of the Bicol region and Visayas. Localized thunderstorms over Mindanao. Now, Friday evening, still there, the LPA over Pulilio Island, and Saturday morning, it's likely to be lingering along the east of Baler and along the east of Infanta Quezon, or northeast of Infanta Quezon, while rainfall will continue to persist, especially in the afternoon of Saturday. So in other parts of the Philippines, it's more of a localized rainfall brought about by the existing of the southwest monsoon and the La Nina phenomenon. Now let's take a look on Sunday morning. The LPA is likely to reorganize over the West Philippine Sea, and there's also a possibility that it will dissipate over the mountains of Luzon as it moves across that area. Sunday afternoon, there you go, more thunderstorms across Luzon. Sunday morning, the cloudiness of that LPA will now emerge over the West Philippine Sea. There's a low pressure system now developing. This is a typical characteristics of a monsoon depression, meaning that the low level atmospheric pressure is devoid of any rain bands. It's located along its periphery, so this is the southwest monsoon already interacting with this low pressure area. Monday afternoon, we expect a bulk of the southwest monsoon, which is also a part of the low pressure system, will bring heavy rainfall across the western sections of central Luzon, especially Zambales, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, and Bataan, while scattered thunderstorms, isolated as well, will be expected in various sections of Luzon, including Bicol. So that's the forecast. So watch out for possible flooding and landslides in hazard-prone areas. So with that, I will end this update for this evening. We will return by tomorrow morning, or maybe at noontime or in the afternoon, to give you more YouTube updates. Also at our Facebook page for the latest video on this traversing low pressure area. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And good night to all.